This will surely be a true mano-a-mano test. It's amazing. For more than 50 years, men and women have entered this ring all in the name of greatness to see who is truly the best. I think when it's all said and done, we'll be talking about this match for a long time.
And while it seems easy enough, I assure you, climbing that ladder is a lot more difficult than it looks, especially after getting hit with it a dozen times.
Brock Lesnar still enters every match as the odds-on favorite.
Yeah, I would never predict a Lesnar loss, Saxton, because you can enter Suplex City, but you will never come out the same.
In addition to owning one of the most impressive championship resumes, Byron, we should also mention that Brock Lesnar has a Royal Rumble match to his credit.
You're absolutely right, Michael. In 2003, Lesnar last eliminated The Undertaker to forever etch his name in history as a Royal Rumble match victor.
More on Brock Lesnar's dominant 2003. Not only did he win the Royal Rumble that year, but Corey, he went on to capture the WWE Championship twice as well.
Yeah, and he held the championship for more than 270 days. If that's not an impressive year, I don't know what is.
Oh, I think this man means business. Yanked him right off the apron.
Oh, no.
He's starting to feel it here, but not for a second do I expect him to back down now.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves, Cole. This is just a little bump in the road for him here. Nothing to worry about.
From what we've seen and heard tonight, there must be serious injuries. This is a level of destruction no one was expecting. Oh, man. Getting the ladder situated right now.
A good spot, too, right in the center of the ring.
Guys, I'd say one of the most shocking moments in Brock Lesnar's career would have to be the night Paul Heyman betrayed him at Survivor Series 2002.
This kind of offense he's known for. He'll be feeling the effects of that for a while. Now it's Lesnar taking some punishment. He's still got plenty of gas left in his tank, though.
I know it's somewhat early still, but this could be a pivotal point in this match, guys. Let's see how he reacts here.
On the topic of Survivor Series 2002, which Corey brought up, not only did Heyman betray Lesnar, but the Beast also lost his WWE Championship that night.
That's right, he lost it to the Big Show. Definitely a tough night for Brock Lesnar. Luckily, Heyman patched things up over the next 10 years. It's definitely been good for Paul's checkbook, but also his well-being. Imagine Brock having a decade-long vendetta against you. Ugh, that's frightening.
Ladies and gentlemen, Reymisteriyo's exploits in WWE have been well documented, but let's not forget Mysterio was also quite successful in WCW prior to the company being sold in 2001. Offense like this is exactly how a competitor takes control of a match.
To illustrate just how successful Mysterio was in WCW, as Michael stated, in addition to capturing the Cruiserweight and Tag Team Championships, Mysterio was also one half of the WCW Cruiserweight Tag Team Champions.
Yeah, but let's be honest, with the WCW Cruiserweight Tag Team Championship, really a thing worth bragging about, Saxton? I mean, it was only around for, what, like a week?
Still a championship.
If there's a finishing move that can end an opponent's existence once and for all, it's the F5 from the Beast incarnate. The move shows Lesnar's power and true disdain for humanity.
Going for the win here! There's no way it comes down here!
None.
Right?
Zero. Absolutely not.
Nicely done. Brock Lesnar starting to teeter.
The most incredible thing about Brock Lesnar's F5 is no matter who it is, the conqueror lifts up his adversary with the greatest of ease. No one can stop this man.
The list of WWE Hall of Famers, legends, superstars, heck, even executives who have been destroyed by the F5 is too long to mention.
Gentlemen, Reymisteriyo may be fading away here.
It just doesn't seem to be his night tonight, guys.
He has got to do something quick. Guys, you can tell he's drained, but I guarantee you that won't stop him from doing everything he can to win this thing.
And now he's standing it right up in the middle of the ring.
Right where it needs to be.
Look at this. Can he grab it?
It's inches away.
Going for it all. I love it.
Look out.
It may look like this match is over right now, but let me assure you, climbing that ladder at this point is no easy task.
He's looking to align that ladder up perfectly.
Placement is crucial.
Climbing up, guys. Here we go.
Oh, boy.
Gonna try to win it right here.
Reaching for it's one thing, though, Cole. Pulling it down, totally different.
This has been a battle. I have a feeling under normal circumstances we would have seen a pinfall by now, but this one isn't about pinfalls, it's about climbing the ladder. Making their way up the ladder right now.
This is a nerve-wracking situation.
Whoa! Sit-out jawbreaker!
You can pick up your teeth in the third row.
Going to the top here, guys.
Looking to finish it.
Look at this. Brock Lesnar going to work now. There he goes, crashing to the floor. Here's Lesnar. These superstars have tried everything. They have something left in their arsenal. They have to, but can they dig down deep enough to find it? Let's get another look at what made that ladder match so exciting.
Here is your winner,